Hi guys, welcome back to video 40. Where did you come from? Welcome back, girl.
Well, hello my beauties. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie and I'm back with another video, you guys. It's our 40 over collaboration video for the month of October. So you know guys, this month it is Halloween and we were to create some looks. So I decided to do the kind of a goddess Cleopatra look. I hope you guys enjoy it. You just keep in mind, you know, makeup is just art and we're here for fun to do these fun looks. So yeah. So don't forget to go over and check out all the beauties over 40 and show them some love. I will have all of their links down in the description section so you guys can go check them out. And so if you're new here to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload content. So if you're interested in seeing this video, please continue watching. So you guys, I'm starting off with a clean, fresh face, and it's already moisturized, and I do have a pimple on my face, so yeah guys. But I don't want to do a talk through. I kind of want to just let you guys watch the video, and I will have everything that I used on my face down below in the description section. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the video, and I'll see y'all at the end of this tutorial. Well, okay guys, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So until next time, you guys be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing to someone else, you guys. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Mwah.